Welcome back to Expert Crypto. Hope you guys are having a great day. We're going to be going over the news real quick. Yesterday, we had quite the day. We've had a lot of stuff that has been picking up momentum. We have a lot of stuff that has been gaining, and it's been quite the day, guys. It's been quite the day. So let's get into all the news that's going to happen today, all the gains that you guys need to be doing, all the plays that we're going to be doing, and I'm going to share with you guys everything you need to know that has happened so far today. So let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. All right. So first of all, we're definitely going to need to pay attention to the market. Okay, the market right now is looking phenomenal. I really do see Bitcoin consolidating right now. We had a feeling this was going to happen, especially with the amount of push that we've had. It's reconsolidating around 53, 54, and we're going to see a pushback out sooner or later. But the amazing thing about right now is we really need to be focusing on the market dominance of Bitcoin. Look how low it is, guys. We're below 50, and we're seeing these alts pump. We're seeing ETH is already up 4% today when Bitcoin's down 1%. We do not see this too often. This is a great thing. This is proving the thesis of altcoin season, guys. Bitcoin's down 1%. Look at all these things that are gaining, all right? And we have PancakeSwap, we have FTM, and we also have Matic. We'll get into those later in the video, but overall, it's looking like a great day. So yeah, we definitely do see this market dominance going lower. The lower it goes, the more money is going to be going into these alts. And we really want to see the market dominance probably be around 45 to 40 in the next month or two. We will all make an insane amount of money when that happens. It could even go as low as 30%. I don't see it going lower than 30%. Some people are suggesting that, but that's a little far-fetched in my eyes. We have seen below 30% in the past. We saw around 30% in the past. In 2018, we saw around 36%. But I do see it maybe pushing 39, 38. But getting below 30 for the market dominance for BTC is going to be a very hard thing to accomplish. Even if it drops down to the low 40s, we're going to see a massive surge in alts. And this is what we've been predicting on this channel. For the past couple weeks, it's really been a great time to be invested into alts. And like I said, we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still chilling. It's entering our zone that we thought it was going to get into. I do see it staying in this zone. We have a really hard support level around 52,000, and it's been holding above that. And we really see it probably pushing out of this zone by the end of I would say by the end or middle of May. I know this says May 3rd. I should have stretched it out some more, but it's okay. I do see it definitely staying in this zone. I don't see a drop back down coming. Maybe we might drop down to 52, but I don't see anything going lower than that, especially with the past analytics that we've seen and the current analytics. We are looking very good on Bitcoin right now. With a 1% drop, seeing these alts still surging is a great boost of confidence. All of you guys should feel extremely confident right now. Extremely confident. It's a great time to be in crypto, okay? You guys are in for one of the biggest bull runs that we've had since 2017. So it's been around 4 years, and you guys are just tuning into it now. So let me get to my next topic. We went over BTC dominance. We went over some crypto news. Now we're going to be going on to ETH. I really do want you guys to be holding some Ethereum through this little push that we're having. I've always suggested that you guys hold some. It's going to be the go-to for a stable coin or a safe hold. You guys have to be holding onto at least 50% high caps, and I would say around 10 to 20% ETH. And you could factor your ETH into those high caps as well. But Ethereum's definitely going to be something you guys are going to want to hold for the next couple months, especially with what's going to be coming out with Ethereum. And let me pull up the ETH graph real quick. It's loading, taking a little bit, but I do see around a $3,000 ETH graph. I'll show you guys exactly where I'm predicting it. All right, so we see right here. Look at this surge, guys. We're at all-time highs. We hit some all-time highs today. But comparing this to back in 2017 with the momentum that we saw, I see the chance of ETH still going to around 4,000 to 5,000, 6,000 in the next few months. I don't see it pushing 10,000. Okay, I do not see 10,000. Maybe it might be September or December, around those 3 or 4 months time period. I see maybe the fourth quarter where we'll see ETH hit around 10K. It's going to take a lot for it to push that hard, but we do see Ethereum 1/3 the size of Bitcoin's market cap. You guys got to take that into consideration. We've really never seen that in quite a while, guys, in quite a while. And that's absolutely amazing for alts. That's amazing for us. The alt community is getting some more respect from institutions. Institutions are going to be flooding over, and we're all in this together. Okay, we're all in this together. It's looking great. So let's go over some altcoin mania real quick. We've had some absolute altcoin mania, I guess you can say. I'm going to get into some of these smaller picks that went off, but we're going to be going over 3 of them specifically. Which is going to be FTM, Cake, and Matic. I went over them in my last video, and we bought these, I believe, 3 or 4 days ago, so we're up a sizable amount in every single one. And I do see Cake hitting around $45 to $50, and I told you guys to take profits around $40, $45, and $50. Still keep some allocations in there. I would say sell off maybe 25%, 25%, 25%. And that is looking still good, guys. That is still looking good. All right, there we go. So we do see this trend continuing, guys. We see this continuing with all of these alts pushing up. I do see FTM, PancakeSwap, and Matic both taking a breather very soon. I put the take profit for Matic around, I believe, 85 to 90 cents around that. So we're gonna go to Matic and see where you guys. Should have taken some profits at. You guys see this retracement around 94, 95 cents. It's very hard for something to get to a round number. A lot of investors are trying to sell at this round number. They figure, hey, let's sell at $1 specifically. And you guys see this with Bitcoin, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40, 50, 60,000 Bitcoin has a very hard support breaking out of exactly that one support, okay? Very hard for Bitcoin to do that, and you see that with a lot of these alts. It's psychology. People want to sell at a round number, and that's why I had you guys sell a little bit earlier, so that would have went through. I would have told you guys to sell 50% of that, and what you're going to do when you sell 50% is you're going to be looking for other trades to get into that's going to make quick profits like Matic did. And I do see Matic hitting around $4 to $5 long term, and that's a good hold. But with the pump that we've had, 100%, guys, 100% pump, you definitely need to be taking some profits off of that, and it's the smart decision to do. There's going to be a little bit of a retracement. I could see another pump though coming probably in the next week or so, and you never really know because Matic really is extremely undervalued. But it's always smart to be taking some profits. So we're going to go into FTM now. FTM has a strong support around 88 cents. I would recommend you guys taking some profits when it gets to there. We're seeing a little retracement, but I do see it maybe going up another 20 to 30% and hitting that 88 cent mark, and then having a little bit of a retracement like what we saw in February. I would advise you guys to take some profits around 80 to 85 cents. Sell 50% or sell 25% at 80 and 25% at 85. Or however you guys want to go about it, but just make sure to take profits with FTM because they have pumped up quite a lot, but they're extremely undervalued, guys. That's why they're pumping up right now, and to see them pump up like this is beautiful, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, we love to see our alts pumping up. We love to see the top 3 alts in our portfolios that are pumping today. Great to see, guys. Great to see. For the past like 2 days in a row, we've seen that, and yeah, we went over Cake, we went over Matic, we went over FTM. So I'm going to tell you guys about some trades that we're probably going to be getting into as well. I do see a few trades available right now. I believe the trades that we're in as of now are looking good, but there's definitely going to be some opportunities with this dip that we see. So we're going to be getting into KuCoin. I see KuCoin looking like a good buying opportunity. Let me pull up KuCoin. I did not pull this up. Thought I had it up. Here we go. I had it pulled up. I just closed it out. All right, here we go. So KuCoin's consolidating around 13 cents, and I'm really looking for a buying opportunity. Let me put this up here. All right, here we go. Sorry about the little retracement there, but yeah, we see KuCoin around $12 to $13. It's showing major support around $12.50. And I do not see it pushing under $12. It's holding very strong, even with this little Bitcoin dip, but most alts are because of what type of season we are in. And my buy target for this, I would say anything around $13 to around $12. Buy 50% at 13, and if you guys see a retracement to $12, buy the other 50% with that. And if you guys see it push off, if you guys see it go to around 14, 15, don't buy in there. Wait for a retracement back down. Buy the dips always. There's always going to be dips. And if you're not able to buy it, then it's okay. You guys got to move on to the next trade. But I really see a $13 to $12. You guys put 50% in at 13, 50% in at 12 to $12.50. You guys will be looking good, and we're going to be holding that to around $17. I do see it going to around 20, but I'm going to have you guys sell around 50%, around 17 to around 17.50. I would say sell 50% and then sell the other 50% around 20, because there's going to be some retracements whenever it gets to around the 17 to $18 range. There's always been some retracements with KuCoin. So that's my one trade. We went over quite a lot the other day, and we've had a couple of them that I've already cashed out. But I'm really looking forward to holding some of these projects longer term. And when you have a Bitcoin dip like today, it's very smart for you guys to be putting in these trades, because we're probably not going to have a dip like this again. We went over the graphs, and Bitcoin is just retracing. It's getting ready back, or it's getting coiled back up to pump again. Just coiling back, guys, and it's going to strike again. So that's a great thing to notice and pick up on. But yes, very, very bullish on exactly KuCoin. And let me get into a few of these small caps. I believe I'm going to be going over Trias. We are up quite a significant amount on them since I talked about them. If you guys are new here, really make sure to maybe watch some of my past videos. I haven't really went over completely everything that I've talked about recently, especially with these small caps. I really want you guys to hold more high caps than small caps. I know a lot of you guys are apes, and you guys buy all these small caps. You guys are waiting for these 100Xs or whatever, and you guys really need to make sure to diversify your portfolio. Just want to throw that out there before we're talking about this. But we are up a significant amount off of Trias. And as you guys can see, we were talking about it since it was around $1 to $2, and we did see a push all the way up to around $9. I believe this graph is a little bit off. This graph's a little bit off. I believe they have a better one on CoinMarketCap. Sorry about this, but yeah, we're very bullish on Trias. Have been for quite a while. Yeah, we saw this push around $7 earlier this week. I thought I would bring it back again into the mix, because we are on a retracement for Trias. Even though it's up 57% today, always wait for these dips. But I know a lot of you guys want me to give my update on this one, and I really do see this one being able to pull off around a 30x to a 20x short term, especially from our initial stance. I believe it was like 134 was the initial buy-in on this small cap. But I believe we'll see around a $50 to $60 Trias probably in the next 6 months or 4 months. And that's a very, very confident play for me, because there is a lot of use case behind them, okay? That's them compared to KSM. I wouldn't worry about that too much, but let's get into their use case. Their use case is the most important thing. So Trias delivers enterprise products and solutions to solve the trust and security issues for different customers in many industries. Some of the use cases for their clients is finance, Sochow Securities, Smart City, Chogun County Substation Industry Park. But if you guys read down here, Trias provides blockchain-based trustworthy ERP, MES, DSAAS for more than 100 companies in the substation industry, with a total product value of 0.3 billion in supply chain finance. So if you guys look there, 0.3 billion, that's already going to be around a 20x or 30x if they meet that. I mean, that's not the the most bullish thing to see. That's not going to mean it's going to go straight to 300 million, but they are coming out with more things. They're going to be coming out with a lot of other use cases as well. And they're going to be partnering with a few other large companies in the future. So this one's very confident. You guys do not find these small market caps that are this confident. I haven't found one like this in a little bit, but I'm glad I got some of you guys invested into it pretty early. I would say it's still early, but Trias provides a blockchain-based exchange, clearance, and cross-border settlement systems for the largest marine product exchange in Asia. Okay, the largest marine product exchange in Asia. That's pretty big, guys. And they do offer a little bit more than that. I'm not going to get too deep into them. I've already have quite a little bit, but I am very bullish on them. And I'm going to be going over some of your guys' small market caps in a second, but I just wanted to share that one with you guys. And if you guys are going to share any small market caps with me, make sure to post some information. Tell me why you're bullish on them, and tell me what information is making you think they're going to go up. That's very important. It'll help me out a little bit more as well, because I'll be able to tell what's good and what's not. So let me drink some water. Oh, Ramp. A lot of people have been talking about Ramp. I believe BitBoy Crypto shilled this one to us, and I was already waiting in Ramp. I believe I've sold over 50% of it. When did it come out? When was this? I'm not sure. I know I owned some, and you guys see this volume going up. But this is going to be in the Ethereum systems and Solana ecosystem. It's extremely bullish. But their circulating supply is a little bit overvalued for their fully diluted market cap. I wouldn't say this is the best buy for you guys to do. If you guys already owned it and are not trying to hold long term, I would definitely take some profits on it. Luna, yeah, I'm still very, very bullish on Luna, and I've talked about them quite a lot. They're going to be very large in the industry of exactly what they're doing. I'll go over Luna because I believe they had a little dip actually. Yeah, I do see them going to $100 long term, probably by the end of this alt season easily. And let's go to Luna. Where are they at right now? They're at $16. Their ecosystem is phenomenal. They have over $1 billion in revenue going to be coming in from multiple industries in their ecosystem. So just wait a year for Luna. You guys will see some insane profits with them. Some insane profits. Very, very good for a long-term high cap hold. I'll go over some gems that I know you guys are invested in from me, and then I'll go over some that you're not, that are some new ones. Yeah, let me know some new ones that you guys are looking at that are some actual great use case. Yeah, UBX is kind of consolidating right now. It's probably getting ready to go back up again. Wait for Bitcoin to go a little bit more stagnant and more people have more confidence in these small caps. We're definitely going to see UBX break all-time highs. So be prepared for that and some more. It's going to go up higher than that. Very bullish on Cell, guys. If you guys do not know what Cell is, Cell has some of the best technology in their sector. They're an IDO that just came out. Be careful, but them at 80 million fully diluted market cap is stupid. They really should be at least $1 billion with what they're doing. This was just from the IDO sell-off, but yeah, definitely they've definitely consolidated, and I don't see them going much lower than this. I do not. I'll go over Reef. I believe Reef's doing fairly decent the past couple days, maybe. Yeah, I love Reef, but we'll have to see long term. Not a lot of hype around them. They're a great company though, very great company. All right, so yeah, we've went over a few small caps. Oh yeah, Zero as well. Sorry to leave out any of you Zero hodlers out there. We're gonna see Zero under 20 cents, Zero under 30 cents, Zero under 40 cents. You guys aren't gonna see Zero under $1. Okay, you're not gonna see Zero under $1. This is going to be happening in the next few weeks, maybe the next month. We will never see zero under $1 again, and this is because their SEX, their DEX, and also their IDO platform that's coming out, it's going to be absolutely insane. To be valued where they're at right now is absolute rubbish, guys. It's rubbish, and I do not understand the amount of sell-offs that we've seen with Zero. We'll see them pump back up. Do not worry, guys. Very bullish. We had Jake Paul just tweet out about them as well. Probably has to do with some of this pump up. And yeah, Jake Paul or Logan Paul, whatever the Paul guy name is. Sorry for being uncultured, guys. I don't. All right, so basically, we're going to see Zero pump and also ERSDL. That one guy is invested into both of them. Mark Cuban's invested into ERSDL. I can promise you guys that. And that just gives you some confidence. Some people that have been doing crypto for a while are invested into some good projects. So am I, guys. And I've listed a lot of things that why you should be bullish on them. So just listing some more as well. I'm going to be ending this stream very shortly, so I'm going to go over Band. Very bullish on Band, guys. It's just their fully diluted market cap's a little bit slowing them down. I believe we do have a trade on them, or at least I do. I need to start writing these trades down. I'm sorry for being unorganized. I promise I'm going to get organized with these trades, guys. I promise. All right, that's going to be the end of today's stream. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be streaming tonight. We'll do a longer streams at night. I'm just trying to update you guys on what's happening during the day. We have Bitcoin consolidating a little bit. It's looking bullish in the short term. We're going to see it pick up, but these alts are exploding, guys. Bitcoin's down, and we have this alt push. That's how you guys know we're in altcoin season. Bitcoin's down 1%. Look at these gains that are still happening, guys. Look at these gains. We have never seen this before, ever. And we definitely love to see it, guys. We love to see it. I mean, look at this green day, guys. Look at this green day when Bitcoin's down. That's how you know we're in altcoin season. What a time to be alive in crypto. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. And this is going to be the end of the stream. And we're in a great time right now. I'm going to keep you guys updated on exactly what's happening. We'll do a stream later tonight. And definitely make sure to stay tuned for that.